Today, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from an ATM without a card using the SBI Yono app. If you've misplaced your ATM card or just preferred a cardless transaction, this feature is super handy, so let's dive in and get started. We'll walk through the process step by step using the SBI Yono app. Make sure you have the app installed and your phone is connected to the internet. Start by opening the SBI Yono app on your smartphone. Enter your login credentials or use biometric authentication to access your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Services tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the option Yono Cash and tap on it. This option allows you to generate a code for cardless ATM withdrawals. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and follow the prompts to generate a unique Yono Cash code. You'll receive this code along with the transaction PIN. Go to any SBI ATM. Ensure that ATM is enabled for Yono Cash transactions. At the ATM, select the Yono Cash option on the screen. Enter the unique Yono Cash code you received from the app and the transaction PIN. Follow the instructions on the ATM screen to complete the withdrawal. Your cash will be dispensed shortly, and that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from an ATM without using your card thanks to the SBI Yono app. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.